Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you why I'm not trading V75 for like 4 days. I'm not trading V75. I'm just looking at it. In the trading, you need to have discipline. If you see market is not respecting what you want, you don't have to force the trade. So if you are new on this channel, please remember to subscribe and click that like button. Share this video with as many people as possible so that more people so they don't get trapped by the way market is behaving. Because I see the way market is behaving, and for me, it's not so good so that I can do it. I can take a trade. I need the proper movement. I don't need the movement where I buy or I sell few minutes market return back and hit my stop loss again. So I need, when I'm holding a trade, I know where the trade is going. Because if you can check, let me show you on H4. For so many people, they says they see what you call head and shoulder. That is what they saw, head and shoulder. Then market raise up to this level. You see here, this area. Then market come again down. So because so many people they've been talking about head and shoulder, now, Deriv, I don't know if they see how people they are doing, then they don't want to make this market move because so many people they expect a big movement for the market to happen, but it's not happening. So from what I want to show you, I want to show you an H1. Just this the one that happened, I think before yesterday and yesterday. Check how market builds a level of liquidity on top there, and they build a level of liquidity down here. Here, imagine people that they are selling, they have their stop loss somewhere here. This is where they put their stop loss. See, people with selling, their stop loss is there. People they are buying, their stop loss is somewhere here. This is where people that like most of the people when they are trading. Now, imagine what happened. Here they build a level of liquidity, a strong level of liquidity for 1, 2, 3 days. They build a strong zone of liquidity. On top, the same. They fake out, they goes up, check they are up, they come and mitigate this institution candlestick here. They took people liquidity on upside, all the stop loss, they eat all the stop loss. They drop again market. You see here there was another level of liquidity. They fake again out this area. They come and mitigate this level here. Now imagine people that they bought somewhere here, stop loss is here. Okay, they hit their stop loss. Market gets on this area. Now here, check what happened. How market is playing on this area. But for me, how I used to trade, because we have up and down where liquidity has been taken out. So for me, what I normally do is try to find where is the Q level of this manipulation that is happening here. You see where there is a 50% is somewhere here. This is where markets come almost close. So this market, what I'm expecting right now is for market to continue down. So this is what is going to happen from what my experience and back testing. So market has to come again to this area again, or even more. Market is gonna drop even more, maybe up until this area here. So let me show you the analysis that I've already done on this one. Okay, the analysis is this one. If you remember on my previous video, I posted about this movement because I could see where market was building a strong level of liquidity. Then here, check what happened. Market get on the S3, then market raise very fast, goes up until they mitigate this strong level of supplier. Now they come down again. They build another liquidity. They build another level of liquidity, the one that we have here. If you can check, let me zoom again. They build another level of liquidity. So they fake this liquidity. They fake out this zone. You see, they come down, it's all people stop loss. They raise the market again up. You know, in a line of this mitigation area, this is what they test. Now they start coming down again. So anytime I see market come near this zone here, you see this zone here, this is my buy level. So if market can touch this buyer level where it says my buyer level, if it can touch this buyer level, this is when I'll look for buy. Because I know even if market gets on this zone here, let's say market sold up until this level, market is not gonna buy hard. What is gonna do? They're gonna do something like this. Again, they'll drop. until to this block. So this is what they will do. I'm talking about this one because this is like, by back testing, testing the stuff that you know and how you approach the market. This is how you know the level, because this block here never been tested. So there is no way a market is gonna go up fast without testing this zone here. So I'm expecting market to come back and test this zone. So this is where we go. And if we can check, market has been acting, like building liquidity like everywhere. Just build liquidity. They build liquidity here, they fake out this level of liquidity. If you can check here, they drop, they raise up again. Here again, they come, took all people liquidity level, take all the stop loss, come inside. Like from what I explained on the other one when I was explaining, I'll look for the Q uh, equilibrium of this manipulation. You see, the equilibrium is there. Check market return to that, to the equilibrium, then buy. This is what I'll look. So the only thing that you need to keep in mind, let me show you guys. Let's say you have a strong level of liquidity where market build liquidity down and up. Now you need to look where market will start taking liquidity. If market take liquidity from downside before going up, then when market goes up like this, so the only thing that you need to do is wait for market again to return inside this area here where there is a 50%, then you can take your trades, then market is gonna go up again. So this is up and on bearish and bullish. So if market also, let's say market start take out first liquidity upside, then when they come again down, they took out level of liquidity. So what you have to do is wait for market to return again back inside the AQ, the 50%. Then from there, you're gonna take again your entry to go down. So this is what happened. You see what happened here? Build the liquidity. First time we took liquidity down, then market raise up, market pull again inside our Q level. This is 50% equilibrium. Then check market both crazy. So here again, check what happened. We took liquidity up, took liquidity down. We return again on the 50%. Then what we expect next? We expect market to come down again on this level here. Then for this one, I want to show you something, guys. This is V25S. This V25S, I made this analysis for like 4 days or 3 days. I was waiting for it market to come and test this area here, because this is my two level that I'm expecting to sell here and sell there. But this one, I'm probably sure that it's not going to be a big sell, because market has to return, confirm this area here, because we break the level of liquidity, we fake out this zone. So market is going to go up here, come again down, test this zone here. I'm sure maybe we're going to have like a distribution. Then from that distribution, the last up thrust leg is the one that is gonna test this area here. Then we drop again. So let's see how market is gonna play, because what I'm saying, I'm just showing you is what I'm thinking and what I want to happen. So let's see how market is going to play from this area. So sharp guys, watch out this market, because there are so many manipulation that is happening, special on V75. So many manipulation that is happening. Yeah, it's good if you know how to use, let's say, M15. Yeah, you can take this trade on M15. You know where there is a liquidity, a strong level of liquidity. You can take your sell from here up until this level. How to manage your risk. Even this one is a nice move, because if you could take your sell position from here up until down here, that would be a nice movement. Then you collect your profit. You wait for another strong move. The market is gonna raise up until this area here, see, up until this area here, then we come again down. So depend on how you know to analyze the market, but most of the time I like using H1, because I need a strong movement. But for so many days, I think 4 days or 5 days, I didn't take any trade from V75. I just look at it, because what I'm seeing, I'm not happy with what I'm seeing. If you can check on daily, almost 8 days. So today is 9 days. Market is only on this area here. You see. So for me, this is like a continuation movement. So market is just gonna continue again down, because if you can check here, there is nothing strong that is gonna push again this market up. So sharp guys, watch out this video.